Make this new trend Ube Champorado. First, rinse the pellet rice to remove starches. Don't stop until water is clear. It's the same, just like any other rice. Next, we let it boil until cooked. Test the texture of the rice to know if it's okay to go or not. Add more water if needed. Here you can see that it needed more water, so we add some more. Always stir the rice to avoid sticking into our caldero. Now, our rice is soft. We can add our Ube flavor condensed milk for the authentic Ube taste. Then we add our coconut milk for creaminess. And then we add flavored food coloring and vanilla extract optional, and also sugar for extra sweetness. And we mix non-stop. Always taste before you serve what you cook. Add more sugar or coconut milk based on your preference. And after that tiring stirring, we can eat this heaven-sent purple rice dish. Phew. So now,